presented to the head, front. Slowly first. We have technically two things happening at the same time. Control the gun and control the arm. And redirect. And then I need to break down, and I'm here all the way down to break his grip. I don't want to stop here. So it's gonna be 1, 2, attack, tap, rack, untap. And I need to be able to do this with both hands. It means tap a rack, handling the gun. I can know I have the time to transition smoothly. Yeah, full speed, or at least speed. Ooh. Do it from this angle. Okay. Let me move on this side. I came back to you. That wasn't good.